In this video, we'll explain the extended dry time of your condenser dryer and demonstrate how to maintain optimum performance. A condenser dryer, also known as a ventless dryer, does not rely on a vent system to remove the moisture from the dryer. Instead, it condenses moisture into water using a dual airflow system, then pumps it into the house standpipe or into a closed system reservoir that can be emptied. Condenser dryers are just as effective as drying clothes as vented models. Because of the nature of this type of dryer, it can take approximately 1.5 times longer than a vented dryer. However, no hot air will be emitted into the room. Please consider these tips to keep your condenser dryer operating at optimal performance. Keep the lint trap clean. Be sure to empty the lint trap before or after every use. The sensor bars and condenser should be cleaned once a month. For the sensor bars, simply wipe with a damp cloth. To clean the condenser, open the condenser compartment door. Unlock the 2 blue locking tabs. Then pull the condenser out of the dryer. Gently clean the condenser by allowing tap water to flow through it. Then reinstall the condenser. Lock the blue tabs and close the door. Always sort and dry similar items together. Separate heavy and light fabrics. Do not underload the dryer. Put at least 5 items or more. But also be careful not to overload the dryer. Condenser dryers work better with access to dry ambient air, so if your condenser dryer is installed in a closet, make sure the doors are open during use to increase airflow. If the door must remain closed when drying, the door must have louvers and have at least 60 square inches of open area to permit sufficient airflow. Correct closet installation ensures optimal air circulation and performance for your condenser dryer. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our latest YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.